Hello, everyone. This is Arsham. I would like to greatly appreciate your time and effort to complete this survey. This is a quick tutorial for answering the map-based component of this questionnaire. As you can see on the top left corner, you can type an address to zoom on that specific place. For example, I type Woodville West. You can see it zooms to this place. Also, you can use these buttons to zoom in or zoom out. And navigation on the map can be done by pressing and holding the left click of your mouse, or if you using use a touch screen with your two fingers. For sketching your frequently used walking route, you should use the line button here. For example, I sketch a line here, a hypothetical route, for example. And you can, as you can see, you can click several times to complete your route, and by double clicking, you can finish your line. If you are unhappy with your sketch line, you can delete it using this button. And start over. Yeah, once again, thank you so much for your participation in this research.